Good day everyone, my name is Lori Zibong Kayaw and my co-reporter Giselle May Tabid, and we are the Group 2 reporters from BSBA for Group 6. So our topic is all about strategic planning in retailing. So we have here our SELOs. SELOs mean specific intended learning outcomes. This is the roadmap or way of our discussion. We have here identified the steps in the retail strategic planning process, develop a strategic plan outline for a chosen retail business. So, what is strategic planning in retailing is? It is a long-term process that defines a retailer mission, goals, target customers, competitive strategy, and operational approach. So, this strategic planning is the way or roadmap figuring out what aims to achieve, what aims or wants to accomplish, or who it wants to attract, how it plans to stand out from the other store or the business, and how it will run day-to-day approach to be successful. That's strategic planning in retailing. So next is steps in the retail strategic planning process. Step 1, situation analysis. Assess current position, mission, ownership, management style, goods, service category. Identify opportunities and threats in the environment tools, which is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, situation analysis in the retail strategic planning, this is a way you look at where the business stands right now. So, like for example, let's say you have a small bakery. The situation analysis there would be involved looking at what your mission is, who owns the bakery, how it managed, and what kinds product you sell. So, situation analysis, this can help make decisions on how to move forward and improve your business or your store. Step 2, objectives. Set performance targets for sales, profit, satisfaction of publics, and image position. Objectives, this is the specific goal of aspects in the business. So, like for example, setting a sales target. You are aiming to sell certain number of products or services within a specific time frame. The business or company track their progress and work towards increasing their sales or revenue. Step 3. Identification of consumers. Define your target market, mass marketing, concentrated marketing, or differentiated marketing. This is very important to identify the demographic, psychographic, geographic, behavioral traits of a consumer or customers. Why? It is be useless when you are not identify your target market. Dili siya patok imong product kung dili suitable sa nga place or person. So, will be useless also, no? Words mass marketing this is when a company tries to reach wide range of customer with the same product. Then, concentrated marketing is when a company focuses on a specific segment of the market. So, and last is differentiated marketing. Involves targeting multiple market segment with different products or marketing strategies. So, next is step 4, overall strategy. When we're talking about business to successful, it must be focusing on two things, which is controllable variables and uncontrollable variables. Controllable variables, kini siya is makontrol pa nimo na ma-change pa nimo kung sa imong mga plano. And then, like for example, store location, managing the business, merchandisement management, and pricing, communicating with customer. And the uncontrollable variables, dili gani siya nimo ma-change, dili na nimo ma-control. Like for example, consumer, competition, technology, economy, seasonality, legal environment. So, move forward to Step 5. Specific activities or tactics. Make short-term and daily operational decisions. So, for example, ani is if a business wants to increase sales in short term, they may decide to run a promotional or offer a discount to achieve the goals of increasing sales. That's a specific activities. So, next is 6. Control. Control is use a retail audit to evaluate performance against objectives. So, control, this is a measuring performance and taking correction actions. Like for example, in the inventory, where retailers track stock levels to minimize waste and prevent stock out, and financial control such as budgeting and sales forecasting to manage revenue and expenses. So, this is step 7, feedback. After overall the process and planning na imong mga the customer will give you a review or feedback kung tsada ba imo ang product or na satisfy ba sila sa imo ang gipamaligya. That's all. And my co-partners will be continue our report. Miss Giselle May Tabid.
Good day everyone, my name is Giselle May Saportisa Tabid. Situation analysis. First, mission. Provide eco-friendly, affordable groceries in the local community. Second, ownership or partnership. The fact you can own something that have proof or ownership and also have a legal right to use, process, and give away a thing. Third, goods and service category. Organic produce, sustainable household goods. For goods, tangible, physical items that can be seen, touched, and owned by a consumer. For service category, intangible. Activities or benefits performed by the one person or entity for another. SWOT summary. S is for strength, unique, eco-friendly, nickel, loyal customer base that have characteristic of a business that give it advantage over its competitors. W for weaknesses, characteristic of a business that put it at a disadvantage relative to its competitors, had limited advertising budget. O for opportunities, growing demand for sustainable products. Also elements in companies' external environment that allow it to formulate and implement strategies to improve performance. T for threats, larger supermarket chains expanding into organics that could endanger the business, its profitability or its competitive advantage. Objectives. Something you can plan to achieve. First, sales. Increase annual revenue by 12%. Exchange of money for goods or services. Profit. Maintain net margin above 15%. For financial gain, especially the difference between the amount ended and the amount spent in buying something. Image. Be recognized as the go-to-the-store for eco-conscious shippers. Satisfaction. 90%. Positive consumer feedback that customers love your product. Identification of consumers. Target market. Environmentally conscious households aged at 25 to 50. Strategy. Concentrate marketing long-term or overall goals often certainly involved setting a direction. Overall strategy. Share location near at resident eco-friendly communities. Dapat na siya yung mga tao. merchandise and pricing, wide variety of sustainable goods, competitive pricing, have an affordable price that suit to be buyer and consumer or customer. Communication, social media, campaigns and workshop, have confidence to talk and manage businesses. Adapt to uncomfortable variables. Adjust price in response to inflation, stock seasonal produce. Specific activities, weekly professional offers on local produce, monthly sustainability or workshop. Control, quarterly sales review and consumer surveys. Maintain standards and ensure that the business operates are ended that the control of financial operation, human resources. That's all.